Good morning, friends. Today we're going to read Can You See the Shapes? And this is from Fanny's Frog Street Family. And it's illustrated by Amy Noble. Remember, the illustrator is the person who draws the pictures. And so we've got here on the front, this one that's purple is an oval. And this guy here is a rectangle. And this girl is a square. This girl is a circle. I like her polka dotted bow. And this girl is a triangle. This boy is a trapezoid. That's a fun word to say, trapezoid. And this guy here is an octagon. Octagon is the shape of a stop sign. And this girl right here, she is a rhombus. Rhombus. Sometimes we also call it a diamond, but the math word is rhombus. Okay. Can you see the shapes? Cindy's circle goes around and around, from high in the sky to the ground. She's the shape of a Ferris wheel or a beach ball for a seal. Trixie Triangle has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. 3 straight sides. See her there on the red boat's sail? And on the edge of the dragon's tail? Look at her right there. 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Susie Square has 1 more side. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's verified. Her 4 sides are all the same. And she makes a lovely picture frame. All the sides of a square are the same length. Meet Rudy Rectangle. You can't go wrong. His sides, 2 of them are long, 2 of them are short, and 2 of them are long. He's got long are red, and short are black. He's the shape of a table, a door, a book, a window, and even more. There's lots of little rectangles inside this big rectangle. And lots of little rectangles inside this big rectangle. Look at the shape of that table. That's a long, skinny rectangle. And those books, they're also rectangles. You probably use a rectangle every day when you open a door, because our doors are rectangles. And our windows are rectangles too. Oscar the octagon has 8 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You see him when you go for rides, and at the intersection look both ways. Oscar says, "Stop," and everyone obeys. You got to be sure and stop at the stop sign. See if there's any cars coming, and then you can go. Renee Rhombus stands on one end. She's another 4-sided friend. 1, 2, 3, 4. A glittering diamond on a ring, or a kite flying high at the end of a string. It's kind of like we took a square and squished it and made a rhombus. Lloyd the trapezoid joins the group. You can see him on the top of this chicken coop. A trapezoid has 2 lines straight across from each other like this that are called parallel. That's a big math word that you'll learn in like 3rd grade. Parallel. So these 2 lines are parallel. And then it's got 2 slanty sides on it like this and like this. And so if you climbed up the side of it and got to here, you'd fall in because it's a trap, a trapezoid. And look at this lampshade. There's a trapezoid there, and there's a trapezoid on the top of this house. On rooftops, lampshades, and wheelbarrows too. Right there. Count as 4 sides. That's what you should do. Olive oval is a curve, long and thin. She's the mouth of this new trash bin. The colorful rug on the kitchen floor, or the oval window in the door. My mom's house has an oval window in the door like that. Have you ever seen one? 8 Frog Street shapes. Can you spot them today? You will see them when you go out to play. Oval, circle, triangle, rhombus, square, trapezoid. That's fun to say, trapezoid. Rectangle and octagon. Also fun to say. What shape do you see on the slide and the swing? Well, right here, I see a triangle. Right here, do you see that rhombus? There's a triangle here, and another triangle over here, and this is a rectangle. Look at the climbing dome. Man, I wish we had one of those. That would be fun. And the hanging rings. Do you see the circles and the ovals? You see squares and trapezoids over here and triangles. Check out the workman building over there. Do you see a triangle, a rectangle, or a square? Can you spot the octagon or a circle in the air? Take a look at that picture and see what shapes you can see. Frog Street shapes are everywhere. Oval, trapezoid, triangle, square, octagon, rhombus, circle, and rectangle. The end. Oh, and there's their backsides. That's funny. So what I would like for you to do today is I want you to pay attention to what you see when you're out just doing whatever it is you do today. And name the shapes that you see when you see them. All right? Have a great day.